First thing you want to do with this is put in 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs that have been beaten, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of cake flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're going to mix it on first speed only until it gets moist. It will take less than 30 seconds.
Wasn't that part easy?
Next, take an 8-inch square pan or a 9-inch square pan and grease only the bottom with butter. Then you're going to take your batter and just pour it into that pan. Just spread it out evenly. And then you'll be ready to go in the oven, which you'll have preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see that pretty much the hardest part of this recipe is gathering all your ingredients, scaling them out. Put it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when you insert it in the cake. Next, you're going to take your fork and poke the whole cake generously all over. Then your next step will be to take 1/4 cup of butter that you have melted and brush it onto the cake. Be generous with it, put it all over. Now while your coffee cake is still hot, take your cinnamon sugar mixture and sprinkle it all over the top. I used 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, but you can do it to your taste. Doesn't that look good? And that's all, folks.
Okay everybody, so that's how I make my cinnamon coffee cake. Remember, the recipe will be in the description below the video. If you like the content here, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Remember, subscribe. Hit that button, that one there. Thank you. Have a good day.